What's up guys, welcome back. I'm Mike and this is the Ultimate Tech Hub. Before we get started, I want to give a huge thanks to our viewers, subscribers, Patreon supporters, and followers on Instagram. Thank you so much, we truly appreciate you. And on today's video, we're going to show you how to install an NVMe SSD. And this install works for all brands of NVMe's. And today, we're going to install a Western Digital 1TB blue SN550 NVMe SSD. This installation video is for motherboards with an M.2 slot. If your motherboard is older and does not have an M.2 slot, you need to watch this video on how to install an NVMe SSD with a PCIe adapter. It's a great video, so make sure to check it out. So in order to film this installation and get the best view, I went ahead and removed the GPU. In normal situations, this is not necessary. In order to install and secure the 1TB NVMe SSD into the M.2 slot, you need to remove this screw. This screw is used to secure the NVMe to the motherboard. So whatever you do, don't lose it. So after you remove the screw, you can now secure the NVMe into the M.2 slot. Make sure the NVMe is pushed in all the way. And once the NVMe is pushed in all the way, you're going to notice that the NVMe sticks out like an open door. And don't worry, simply use that screw that we removed earlier and screw it back in to the M.2 slot. This keeps the NVMe flat against the motherboard and secure. And that's it as far as the installation goes. Now to get this drive fully operational, you want to turn your computer back on, log in, and go to disk management. And from here, follow the instructions. You have to initialize the disk before you can use it. Then after that, you can see your new drive, then right click it and create simple volume. And then you're done. Like I said before, this installation works for all NVMe SSDs. It's a pretty simple process once you've done it a couple times. And guys, I want to encourage you to follow me on Instagram. We do product giveaways every 4 months. And to be eligible for the giveaways, you must be following us. And guys, I also want to encourage you to visit my Patreon page, where $2 a month helps keep this channel going. And for every new member, we do a personal shout out on the very next video. Pretty cool. So once again guys, if you like this video, give a thumbs up and share it. If you love it, hit subscribe to keep this channel alive. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video real soon. Peace.